Dumela, welcome back to Setswana class. Today we'll be talking about similar words or similar spelling words with a different meaning. For example, nna, which means me, lower tone nna, and a higher tone nna. It means sit or stay. For example, ke nna Thato. Ke nna mo Gaborone. So I am Tato and I stay in Gaborone. So the second word is gonna be lapa. In higher tone, lapa means home. Lower tone, which lapa. Lapa means to be tired. Another word is mabele and mabele. Mabele, which means breast. Mabele, which is like sorghum. It's like common food in Botswana. So, I mean, if as a foreigner you don't have to be worrying about all this higher tone, lower tone, because it might stress you out. But if you are advancing, you have to know this how the tone works and stuff like that, so that you don't say one thing which means the other. Okay, the next word is hoja. If you're using the word hoja, you're going to say hoja koloi, to pull the car, to smoke cigarettes. So it's just like a sound. There is no low tone or high tone. It's all low tone or lower tone. The other one is kofita. Kofita means to bury, or it also means to hide, which is pretty much the same thing. So we are saying whenever somebody's getting buried, we say ke batla go fitlha ntsala ke, or I'm going to bury my cousin, and ke fitlha madi, I'm hiding my money. So it's all the same thing. And the other one, because I mentioned it, is madi. Madi. Madi means money, and it also means blood. So for those of you who are going to be working in Botswana on the health department, when you hear somebody say madi, 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 they might mean blood or they might mean money. So that's another thing. What's another thing? Utwa. Utwa or utwa. Depending on which Setswana tone you want to pick. Utwa goes, it's just lower tone. The other one, you use utwa to taste maybe food for salt, like what the utwa letswai, which means like I want to test the salt. Ke batla go utwa pina, which just means I want to hear the song. And ke batla go utwa, oh, like like I don't want to feel pain. So yeah, that's utla. It has three things that it means. So it will depend on what exactly whoever you're talking to, they're talking about, then they can like, then you can determine from what kind of utla do they mean. Like if they're talking about food, that means they want to taste the food. And if they're talking about maybe a song or something they overheard, then they're talking about something they heard. And when they're talking about like a situation gone bad, and that means they're talking about their feeling. I really hope this makes sense, because Setswana is really different from English. Like it uses this tones, like some words that I just mentioned, they have this high tone and low tone that if you're not paying attention, you might say the wrong word for a wrong thing. So I hope that makes sense. And I think I will like make a live video just to like go through over this again. Okay, so thank you so much for your support, guys. Please continue subscribing and comment, leave a comment if you don't understand, ask a question. I will try to get back to your questions as we can, and if there's need for me to consult anybody else, if I don't have the knowledge of what your questions are, I will do that. So thank you so much for your support. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle.